I'm Melody Stroud. Welcome to Usborne. I'm excited to give you a tour of your new back office. So to get to your back office, you're going to go to your URL up here, consultants.myubam.com, and it's going to bring you here. And then you're going to log in with the ID that you got in your email, and then the password is going to be the last 4 digits of your social security number. And you're going to click log in. Okay, now this first screen that you see, this is called your dashboard. It has these 6 boxes right here. Home office is working on these to get them updated. But so here we are. This is called your dashboard. And up here you have all this information, your sales, commission, great stuff up here. You can see who your leader is and how to get in touch with her. Okay, so this over here, you really don't have to do anything with this. This is just like a quick view of what's going on, but really the dashboard that you're looking at now is just the front door to your back office. So we want to click on this little house icon here because we want to get to the back office. This is like the hub where everything is. So right now it is spring 2018, so we're right in the middle of this Connect 4 challenge. So you can see that up here. A good thing to know is the out of stock list, because you don't want to tell somebody a book is in stock if it's not. So it tells you when it was last updated. Since you're new, be sure to click on this to get a nice welcome message with some great information. But let's go ahead and click on the out of stock list and I'll show you something. So OS means out of stock, titles removed. So these we can order. That's great. Do not order these. So now this right now is organized by title. You can see that. And you can quickly find what's out of stock. For instance, the Busy Train toy. It's out of stock and it's expected to be back May 20th. This is an expected date. Things happen that pushes these dates around sometimes. But I love how they have new. What I like to do is click here to see the newest ones that were added. New. Okay, good. So that way I can see it. Okay, so that's just a quick view. Library titles not available. These are ones out of print. This means they're not coming back. They're not coming back. Then this page number is the current catalog. OP means out of print. Oh, so sad. Astronaut's Handbook is out of print. So just shows you sometimes something will be revised. So right here, Sticker Dolly Dressing Dolls. So this original one is now out of print, but there's a revision. And this is the last 6 digits of the ISBN number. So there is a new one. So that's good to know. Like, that's not my snowman. There's another one. Dragon, there's another one. So that's good. All right. So let's go back to the back office home. Okay, so you can rearrange this stuff. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So here are your sales numbers, and you can change, when you look at your change what you see for sales. And my back office might look a little different because I'm not brand new. So when you have somebody who joins under you, you become their sponsor, which is fabulous. Congrats. And you're going to see their information here. And when they hit different success levels, which is wonderful. You can send them a quick message. Way to go. So proud of you. So that is great. And you'll have, when you become a leader, you'll have a tracker. And this shows all of the people who've joined with me and my sales and our group sales. Okay, and when you become a team leader, you'll have some minimums to keep up with. They're very small. For right now, it's 4,000 my personal group and 1,000 personal in 3 months. So I can certainly do that. And then these are my orders, order information. So I can look here and I can actually click on these. So this has not shipped yet. Let's see what that was. Click on that number. Okay, and Jill's books of these. Oh, it says shipped. Okay, we just submitted 5-2, fulfilled 5-3, so maybe we just don't have a shipping thing yet for that. That's good to know. So it's just maybe not updated because today is 5-3. So that's good. But what you can do, a really great thing to do is when you see things have shipped, you go, oh, what was that? Who ordered that? Oh, Tabitha. Okay, so I'm going to send Tabitha a quick private message. Hey, girl, so excited. Your books have shipped. Yay! And I can go back here and I can say, I can copy this and I can say, here is the tracking info. Let me know when they come. I can't wait to hear how you like your new books. It's always great to let them know when their books have shipped because as of right now, May 2018, we do not have an automated email that goes out to customers when their books ship. So it's really great for us as consultants to provide that little extra bit of customer service to let them know and to give them the tracking number. And here's how to do that. Now, I want to show you how to kind of move things around. Oh, at the very bottom here, you have your upline contact info. So your sponsor, your team leader, your upline leader will all be listed right here with their emails, their phone numbers. If you need help, please message your team leader. Her email is here if you want to send her an email. But definitely friend her and friend your sponsor so that you can start working together to have a great start to your business. Now, I want to show you how to kind of rearrange stuff. Maybe you want different things up top. So you go to My Business, you go to, let's see, let's do My Profile. That's it. I'm sorry, I forgot for a second. Okay, so here's where you can change your password. I'll need to change mine after this video, but you can change your password here. Your email, your name. All right, now here's where you can put in if you have a special domain name. Maybe you want to buy a domain name like Lisa's Usborne Books or something. You want to buy a domain name to redirect to your shopping site. So you don't have to remember your consultant ID number. And people say, hey, how do I shop on your site? Oh, you go to x4123.myubam.com. So some people will buy a domain name that has their name in it and redirect it to their shopping site. And you can put that here when you have it. Okay, and direct deposit, where you can update your information. Be sure you do sign up for direct deposit. I know that's a step in our quick start. And you can do that really quickly. I'll show you manage direct deposit. Just click right here and you'll be able to sign up for direct deposit. Definitely do that because you want to get paid. We get paid every Wednesday on the commission we made the previous week. And a little side note, it's a great idea if your family does, kind of credit cards. A lot of people will get an airline miles credit card to use, and then they'll do their business purchases and other purchases using that card, turn right around and pay it off because we don't want you in debt, but rack up those miles. And then we have many people who never have to pay for plane tickets when they come to our national convention every June in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's so much fun. You have to plan on coming. It's so great. But they use their airline miles card for everything and then pay it off. But they have those miles racked up and they can fly to convention every year for free. So definitely something to think about. And okay, so my UBAM page customization. Here's where you can put where you want things. Maybe you really want your order tracking up front. Put number 1. Maybe you really want your team leader tracker up front. Whatever you want up here, you can change it. Isn't that great? And then go down here, number of previous days to display. I always just put 99. That way I just see kind of everything that I have going on. So change that. And then, and then you can update, and that will set everything the right way. And then something else I wanted to show you, take time when you have time to look and just kind of explore your back office, all of these links. the convention link. Oh, when you're looking for like current customer specials, here you go. Here's where you can find, that was under essentials, current specials. And you can see we have all this stuff. Since you're new and you're in your incentive period, you're going to concern yourself with these right here. You definitely want to look at those, become familiar with these right here. The consultant incentives. You can earn home office challenges in your own incentive period. So that's fabulous. And then these customer specials here, the host specials. You don't have to worry about the different host specials until you're out of your incentive period, which is your first 90 days. When you're out of that, then you'll need to look and see what you can offer your hostess. So PDF is like something to print, and a JPEG is an image. All right, so another thing I wanted to show you is Order Pro right here. Log in now. You can log into Order Pro, and that's where we close out our parties and get the free books. And we have another training on how to do that, but you're going to hear a lot about Order Pro, and here's how to get to it. E-commerce, this is your personal website. This is your shopping site. And so here's one way to get to it. When it's time to renew, here's how you do that. Every 6 months, we have to renew our site, and it's only $8 a month to keep your business going. Isn't that great? We have no minimums. You don't have to keep up with any minimums, but if you do want to keep your website active, it's $8 a month after your first 6 months. So that's easy peasy. And a great thing right here is audio training. If you click here, you are going to find some great audios that you can download and listen to while you're driving. Just so many great ones. So definitely explore those, keeping organized. That's a good one. And also convention. We'll have convention training right here. And look, you can see what it is. You can click on it and learn lots of YouTube videos, and there's other stuff too. So lots of great stuff here for you to check out in your back office. Now the consultant toolbox, it's May 8, 2018 right now. Don't worry about this. This is getting updated. So don't worry about that. Let's see, educational services. This is for if you decide to become an educational service representative, an ESR. Right now, as you're new, I wouldn't even worry about it. It is an additional $150 fee, and be sure to check with your team leader or sponsor about anything having to do with schools. If you're not an ESR, and since you're new probably watching this, we cannot do anything with a school or a library. But what we can do we can do book fairs and stuff like that for preschools that do not have a kindergarten. So definitely talk to your team leader or sponsor about that. But as you're just starting out, what you really want to focus on is having parties, either home parties for yourself and your friends, and or Facebook parties, because that is where you're really going to get to show the books, and you don't have to worry about paying the additional fee to become an ESR, Educational Service Representative. So yay, well this was your back office. Have fun exploring. Remember, there's the out of stock list. Definitely read this, and just lots of good things right in here for you to check out. And if you ever have an issue about something, we do support tickets for everything. You would log in here and new ticket. Maybe you got a damaged book or a customer got the wrong book. Then you will take care, look at all these things. You would take care of that all right here. Easy peasy. You'd pick the right one. Maybe somebody, let's see, just lots of stuff. You can just pick something. Anyway, we'll just close that out. But that's where you do that. So explore your back office. Take a few minutes to do that. Let your team leader or sponsor know if you need anything. Welcome to the team. We are so glad that you're here and can't wait to see what you do with your business. In Pineapples, we are committed to helping you reach your goals, whether you're here for just some fun money, whether you want a fun hobby for yourself, or whether you are ready to build it big and make career income with your Usborne business. We can help you do that too. All right, have a great day. Any questions, let us know, and move on to what you're ready to work on next.